Hey, I'm Gail from MyRepurposedLife.com, and I am so glad you're here. I want to encourage you, whether you're male or female, young or old, to pick up some tools and do some DIY. It's not that difficult. You just have to be patient and safe. Whether you're 20, 30, 40, 50, or 61 like me, you can do this. I was nearly 50 when I started doing all of this, and you can do it too. I'm going to show you how. I'll give you tips and tricks and show you the best way to turn trash into treasure by rescuing, reimagining, and repeating over and over again. I'm so glad to have you as a friend of My Repurposed Life. Stop back often and see what's new at MyRepurposedLife.com. Gail Wilson saying, bye for now.